categories, more color coding. You'll notice some of my emails. If I go here, I have an email with a green banner. That's because that category, meaning MEMCT, is something I've set up ahead of time. So your categories you'll always see with this button up here, this four-color, very colorful button. You might only see 4 or 5 to start with, but if you go to all categories, you have up to 25 colors to use to define your categories. So we could do a new one here, for example. Let's do a new one, and we'll call it Facebook. And we'll make the color, I don't know, you can reuse a color, so I'm going to go ahead and take a chance on that and reusing a color. Maybe we'll use this bright green here. And again, here as well, you can assign it a shortcut key. I'm not going to do that here, and say OK. Let me uncheck that Facebook because I don't want it to assign it to that current email, but let me come out to my Facebook folder and assign it a category of Facebook. Now that I've assigned it a category, when I open it, it carries that banner with it. And if I were to create a meeting with this or a task with this, some of you already know this trick with drag and drop. With 2010, you can drag and drop it straight onto the to-do bar here, your calendar. So let's say this is going to become a meeting on the 31st of October. I'm going to drag it out here, and it becomes a meeting notice to on that same subject. So all I did was, let me go ahead and save it. All I did was just drag and drop it onto this calendar here. You can also drag and drop it to the navigation pane, to any one of these. So if this were a contact, I can drag and drop it to a contact. In fact, let me do that with Christie's. Now very easy to find because it's magenta. I'm going to drag and drop this email right on top of contacts. And the contact form that it creates for me has her original email down here in the comment section. And I can actually copy and paste information from here to here. Let me just get that done. So it'll fill what it can, and whatever it doesn't fill, you can just automatically just drag and drop over into the area and hit save and close, and you've created a new contact. You should very rarely ever have to do any copying and pasting in Outlook. When you drag and drop one item to another type of item, it doesn't replace it. It creates a new one. So that email is still whole when I received it. If I go to the inbox, I'll still see Christie's email right here, but now I have created a contact with that email as well.